In this video, we'll show you how to use your Newa, the ultimate beauty tool for a younger looking you. Newa reduces wrinkles and leaves skin firmer and tighter with a more radiant complexion. We're confident it'll become the beauty tool you just can't live without. You can treat 3 different areas of the face and neck with Newa, with each area taking just 8 minutes to treat, so it fits easily into your daily routine. You can choose which areas you'd like to treat based on your key skin concerns, whether that's crow's feet, lost definition along the jawline, or laxity under the chin. Or of course, you can treat all areas for the maximum results. Before you start your Newa treatment, make sure your face and neck are clean and dry without any residual makeup or skincare, and remove all jewellery. Plug in your Newa device, remove the protective cap and apply 2 lines of your Newa activator gel to the tip. Before switching your Newa on, spread the gel over the entire treatment area that you've chosen to start with. To start your treatment, move the switch to treatment level 2. Now press the power button, which will start blinking, indicating that your Newa has started working. Place the Newa tip on your skin and move the device in a constant circular motion, ensuring an even coverage of the treatment area. As the energy is delivered into your skin, it will start to feel warm. Newa will indicate that your skin has reached the optimum temperature by changing the light on the button to green. Your Newa incorporates a sensor to maintain this temperature throughout the treatment. When you've reached the end of your treatment cycle for that area, your Newa will gently vibrate. Start the process again by applying another 2 lines of gel to your Newa tip and move on to the next treatment area. Before you know it, your Newa treatment will be over. Immediately afterwards, your skin will feel firmer and plumper. It may be a little red, but this will subside very quickly. Congratulations! You're now on your way to firmer, tighter skin with fewer lines and wrinkles and a more radiant complexion.